Welcome students in the video lecture of resistance across surfaces for NEET JEE exam. Challenging questions are asked on each formula. Resistance depends upon the length and area. We use direct formula for simple examples. R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is the specific resistance, L is the length, and A is the area of cross section. But challenging questions are constructed by twisting the questions to test your knowledge. In any examination, examiner try to judge our knowledge about the concept of resistance, and these are the challenging questions that we cannot solve easily. We always confuse to solve such question. Formula same is applied. Resistance R is equal to rho L upon A in all cases, but answer will be different. Answer will be different. How? That we will see. First, let us start from the simple example. Simple example. Suppose a problem is given for MCQ or word type problem. Calculate the resistance of aluminum cylinder that has a length of 10 cm and cross sectional area of 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. Repeat the calculation of cylinder of the same dimension and made of glass having the resistivity of 3 into 10 raised to 10 ohm meter. Now here given things are resistance of aluminum cylinder R is given 10 cm and cross sectional area is given 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square, and for glass also same length, here length and area of cross section is given but different resistivity is given. So here surface area is same, length is same, and hence we can use direct formula. R is equal to rho L upon A, and for both materials we substitute the value of specific resistance, length and the area, and hence we get the value 2.82 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter into length is 0.1 meter and area is 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. After calculation we get answer 0.00000141 ohm for aluminum cylinder, and for glass cylinder as specific resistance is different for a given material, it is 3 into 10 raised to 10 ohm meter, and hence we get the answer as 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 13 ohm. This problem was very simple. We can use directly the formula. Now let us discuss challenging over this. Consider another challenging example. Suppose a rectangular slab of copper material means resistivity rho is equal to 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter is connected across the different surfaces. Battery is connected maybe between top to bottom surface. Across left to right surface, across front to back surface. Then value of resistance will be different across the different cross sectional area A and length L. How? Let us see. Formula is same, R is equal to rho L upon A, but which length will we consider here? This will be your judgment. Now here length consider is equal to height h, hence I have written here rho h upon, and area of cross section will be area length into breadth. So I have written L cross B. In the second slab of same material, length here it is L and area is height into breadth. Hence area is written height into breadth. And in the third case, breadth is the length, breadth is taken as length and area of cross section as the area height into length. If someone get confused in taking the length and area of cross section, their answer will definitely go wrong. So do not make mistakes and solve correctly. These are the challenging. Resistance depends upon the length and area. We use direct formula for simple examples. R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is the specific resistance, L is the length and A is the area of cross section. But challenging questions are constructed by twisting the questions to test your knowledge. Suppose here a slab of copper is shown in the diagram and here battery is connected across top and bottom surfaces. Then what will be length, area and area of this slab you will take to solve. If battery is connected across left and right surface, then which will be length and area in the question. And if battery is connected back and front, across back and front surfaces, which length you will consider, which area you will consider, this is very important. If you make mistakes, the answer. In this video lecture, we will study how to solve such challenging question. Suppose that battery is connected between the top and bottom surface. Here sign, only two lines there should be there for sign of battery. Our formula is R is equal to rho length upon the area. But here in the question, since battery is connected between top and bottom surface, length is equal to height is considered, and area of cross section should be length. Here area of cross section should be length into breadth. So L cross B is considered. If rho is given is equal to 1 10 to minus 8 ohm meter, length is equal to 0.1 meter, breadth is equal to 0.01 meter is given in the question or MCQ. Height is given 0.02 meter. Calculate the resistance. Use R is equal to rho H upon L cross B. This is equal to 1.7 into 10 to minus 8 into 0.2 upon 0.1 into 0.01, which is equal to 1.7 into 10 to minus 6 ohm. Second type of question, which is twisted. Suppose battery is connected across the same slab from left to right surface. Then here length is equal to L and area is considered as height into breadth. Area is considered as height into breadth. So substitute the given values. Rho is equal to 1.7 into 10 to minus 8. Length is equal to 0.1 meter. Height is equal to 0.02 meter. And breadth is equal to 0.01 meter. Answer will be equal to 0.8 into 10 to minus 5 ohm. Sometimes question may be asked. Suppose battery is connected across the back surface and front surface of the same slab. Then in the question, length will be is equal to breadth. You have to consider length as breadth and area of cross section as height into length. Area of cross section as height into length. And hence we get R is equal to 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 0.01 upon 0.02 into 0.1 meter is equal to 0.085 into 10 raised to minus 7 ohm. So here if you make the mistake in taking the length and area properly, you may lose your marks in the question. So don't confuse.
Let us solve.
Don't make mistakes. Next time, challenging MCQs in NEET and JEE exam. Thank you.